Hi there, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can copy and paste the artwork or anything that's on your artboard to the next artboard on the same place. If I want to paste only this flower on the same place as this artboard right now, what I can do is I will just press Command plus C or Control plus C, and instead of pressing Control plus V, that it is not placing on the same place on the next artboard. What I will do first is I will select this artboard. I will just hit anywhere in this artboard. So as you can see the black line here, it's very thin line, but that means this artboard is selected. If I selected this artboard, it shows the very thin black line on the outer of my artboard. It's very small line, but it is there. It's not very visible. So what I will do, I will just select this flower, press Command plus C or Control plus C, and then select this artboard, and then even press Command plus F. That means if you go to edit, you can see Command plus F means paste in front, but it also paste on the same place on the other artboard if that artboard is selected. But you can also press paste in place. That means you have to press Command Shift V or Control Shift V for that. That will also do the same thing. So if you have something on the artboard, like on the next artboard, like a rectangle or a circle or square or whatever, if you want to paste the same artboard on the same artwork on the next artboard, but this time you want to place it underneath the shape or on top of the shape, what you can do is you can also select that shape and then press Command plus B. It means it will go behind that shape. So if you will press Command plus F, it means that this will go on the top of the shape, whatever you have created on that artboard. So this is very handy if you have lots of illustrations or lots of things going on your next artboard, but you also want that the same thing on the next artboard but behind the shape or on top of the shape. So that's how you can do it. There is another thing that I want to mention, is that sometimes what happens when you paste on the next artboard, it will not pasting on that artboard. Instead it will keep pasting on the same artboard. So for example, if I press Command plus C, and even if I have selected the other artboard and press Command plus F, it will paste the artwork on the same artboard that I have selected. In that case, what you can do is you have to make sure that from where you are selecting your artwork, for example, if I'm selecting my artwork from this artboard, I have to make sure this artboard is selected first, and then I will select my shape. So I will just click anywhere in this artboard. So I will make sure that this artboard is selected, and then I will select whatever the artwork I'm copying, and then I will paste by clicking in anywhere in that artboard, and then I will press either Command plus F, Command plus B if I want to make it underneath anything, or Command Shift V. So that will go on the same place on the same place as the previous artboard. So that's how things works. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you understand what I mean, please hit the like button. And if you don't understand anything, or if you have any question related to this, please ask me in the comments. I will answer your whatever question you have. Thanks for watching.